Hello and welcome. Today in this video we are going to take a look at a strong and powerful project named Elrond. Elrond is a sharded smart contracts execution platform with a POS consensus mechanism. The project describes itself as a technology ecosystem for the new internet, which includes fintech, decentralized finance and the Internet of Things. The blockchain has a native token known as EGLD, that is used for paying network fees, staking and rewarding validators. Elrond was first announced in August 2019, and its mainnet went live in July 2020. The two most important features that set Elrond apart are adaptive state sharding and the secure proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Some of important highlights of Elrond include 15,000 current transactions per second, 6-second block time, $0.001 transaction cost. Can scale beyond 100,000 transactions per second, 263,000 transactions per second in testnet. Elrond uses sharding technology, but what is sharding? Sharding is a database partitioning technique used by blockchain companies with the purpose of scalability, enabling them to process more transactions per second. Sharding splits a blockchain company's entire network into smaller partitions, known as shards. Each shard is comprised of its own data, making it distinctive and independent when compared to other shards. Sharding can help reduce the latency or slowness of a network since it splits a blockchain network into separate shards. However, there are some security concerns surrounding sharding in which shards can be attacked. Elrond is a distributed transactional computation protocol which relies on a sharded state architecture and a secure proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. While most other blockchain networks require hardware and high energy consumption, Elrond runs on average computers. By employing sharding, a method of parallelizing data and transactions processing, Elrond's performance will scale up with the number of computers joining the network, reaching more than 100,000 transactions per second while growing increasingly decentralized. Let's dive into Elrond a little bit deeper with three key attributes of Elrond. Adaptive state sharding. The optimal approach to blockchain sharding needs to take into consideration advantages from all three sharding types: state, transactions and network. Elrond's approach to increased throughput, called adaptive state sharding, combines all three sharding types into a solution that improves communication inside the shards and dramatically increases performance through parallel processing. Secure proof of stake. Elrond has proposed a novel approach to consensus called secure proof of stake, which eliminates POW computational waste, and combines eligibility through stake and rating with random validator selection and an optimal dimension for the consensus group. The BFT-like consensus protocol maintains a high security level through random sampling of the consensus group and random reshuffling of nodes into other shards. The consensus uses an unbiasable randomness source generated by the block proposer via assigning the previous random source. Elrond VM. The Elrond virtual machine is a dedicated smart contract execution engine built on WebAssembly. It expands the family of languages available to smart contract developers to include Rust, C, C++, C# and TypeScript. This means you can write smart contracts in whichever language you're familiar with, compile it of WebAssembly and easily debug its readable format. How is Elrond different? The Elrond network is the first to present a viable solution where all the three aspects of sharding, state, network and transactions have been implemented at once. Combined with its adaptive component, this novel architecture allows for dynamic network configuration to maintain a high level of security while scaling with demand. In addition to scaling through sharding, Elrond also approaches the consensus problem with a mechanism called secure proof of stake, which mitigates potential attack vectors when compared to proof of work, while also enabling large throughput and fast execution. By solving some of the hardest consensus and sharding problems in the blockchain space, Elrond is able to provide a very high level of performance on a network made of inexpensive computers, resulting in a very low cost per transaction. In addition to performance and cost, Elrond also stands out through the quality of the developer experience and the resulting boost in usability on the end-user side. Elrond has a great and powerful team and advisors coming out of top universities and top blockchain projects, and also including Olympiad champions. Elrond Network has a lot of great strategic partnerships like Utrust, Orion, Injective Protocol, Ultra, Terra Virtua, Dusk, and so on. Elrond also have great and interesting investors like Binance, NGC, Electric Capital, Maven 11, and Woodstock. The Elrond economic model has a limited supply that starts at 20 million EGLD, with new tokens minted to reward network validators. The maximum supply can never exceed 31,415,926 EGLD, but this number will decrease as more transactions are processed. The time of this video, Elrond is trading at $230 with a 24-hour trading volume of $92 million and with a $4.5 billion market cap. In my opinion, this project is secure, powerful, and has a bright future. In the end, I want to give a good 8.5 out of 10 to Elrond Network, and I think the service that Elrond is providing is unique and amazing. Let me know your thoughts about Elrond in the comment section. Are you considering to invest in this project? Please be informed that this is my personal opinion and it's not a financial advice. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching this video. Write down your thoughts about what projects you have in mind and you think it's the next big thing. Stay safe. See you next time. Peace.